Hello dear students, welcome to a new math session. In this session we'll be talking about factorizing by taking out the HCF. The common factor of the coefficient HCF for all coefficients. So, in order to be able to find the HCF, first of all we get the common factor of all the coefficients by getting the HCF of all coefficients. And to get the common factor of the coefficients, we get the highest common factor for all coefficients. To find the common factor of the algebraic factors, the common symbols taken by the smallest power. Let's see this example. The common factor for the expression 15x squared yz plus 25x cubed y cubed is what? Let's first find the HCF of the coefficients. So 15 and 25, their HCF is 5. X is a variable that is common in both terms, so we take it by its smallest power. It's x power 2, x power 3, then it will be x power 2. The y is there in common, so we take it by the lowest power, which is y power 1, which is y, and the z is not common, so we don't take it with us. So the common factor here is 5x squared y. Let's go to exercise 1. Factorize the following by identifying the HCF. Let's first try finding the HCF of 12x power 4y squared minus 18x cubed y cubed. Let's find the HCF of the 12 and the 18. It is 6. And then the x is there in both, so we take it with the smaller power, x power 3. The y is there in both, we take it by the smaller power, y power 2. So 12x power 4y squared divided by 6x cubed y squared will be 2x, and the 18x cubed y cubed over the 6x cubed y squared will be minus 3y. So here is the factorization of this expression by using the HCF. Next question. Let's factorize the following by identifying the HCF. The HCF of these two expressions, 21 and 28, its highest common factor is the 7. A squared and a power 3, the highest common factor is a squared. B squared and b power 3, the highest common factor is b squared. Then we're going to divide every and each term by the highest common factor. So don't forget that we write outside here the highest common factor, and then we divide each by this highest common factor. So it will be 7a squared b squared multiplied by 3 minus 4ab. Let's solve now exercise number 2. Factorize the following terms by identifying the HCF. First of all, we start by finding the HCF. We have 21, 7, and 35, so the HCF is 7. We have a power 3, a power 2, and a power 2, so we take a with its lowest power. And then b squared, b squared, b power 3, we take the b's with its smallest power. After that, we are going to divide 2a power 3 b squared by the GCF minus 7a squared b squared by the highest common factor minus the 35 a squared b power 3 also by the HCF. So it's 7 a squared b squared multiplied by 3a minus 1 minus 5b. Exercise number 2. Factorize the following by identifying the HCF. First of all, to get the HCF, we find the HCF of the coefficients, which is here very obvious that it will be 3. The m, we take it with the lowest power, so it's m power 2. The n, we take it with the lowest power, so it's n power 2. To factorize this, we write the HCF, and then we multiply. We divide every and each part of it by the HCF. After that, the factorization will be 3m squared n squared multiplied by 3m squared minus 2mn plus 4n squared. Exercise number 3. Factorize the following by identifying the HCF. Here we have two parts multiplied together, and here we have two parts multiplied together. As you can see here, the x minus y and the x minus y are commonly there. So this is your HCF. So the HCF is x minus y. To factorize it, it will be x minus y multiplied by x plus 3y plus x minus y. If you want to simplify it more, it's x minus y multiplied by 2x plus 2y. Exercise 3b, the same question, the same idea, but with a small new part. Factorize the following by identifying the HCF. 3a multiplied by c minus d plus 4b multiplied by d minus c. They are not the same as c minus d. How can we make them the same? Yes, excellent. Here, 3a times c minus d plus 4b. If you multiply this by -1, you can make it as c minus d. So it will be 3a times c minus d minus 4b times c minus d. To take the HCF as c minus d, and then you multiply by 3a minus 4b. Question number 4. Exercise number 4. Factorize the following by identifying the HCF to find the result of each of the following. Here we have two terms multiplied together and two terms multiplied together. The common term is the 57. So it's 57. This would be the HCF multiplied by 43 minus 33. So it's 57 multiplied by 10. The result is 570. Question 3b. 153 all squared minus 153 times 53. 153 all squared means 153 times 153 minus 153 times 53. Here is the HCF. So 153 multiplied by, you take the 153 minus the 53. So it's 153 multiplied by 100. So the result is 15,300. Let's now go to the evaluation part. Dear students, I'm reminding you that once you see the questions, pause the video, try to answer the questions yourself. After that, play the video to check your answers. Question 1. The HCF is 5. And then to factorize it, it's 5 open bracket a plus b. Question 2. The HCF is 3. And then to factorize it, we open bracket x minus y. Question 3. The HCF is 5. To factorize it, we divide the 5y by 5, so it's y. We divide the 10 by 5, so it is 2. Question 4. The HCF is 4. So to factorize this, 8y cubed over 4 is 2y cubed minus 4x squared divided by 4 is x squared. Question 5. 7xy plus 7yz. We take the 7, we take the y as a common factor, and what's inside will be the x plus the z. Question 6. 5ab minus 15bc. The common factor is 5 and the b, where inside it will be the a minus 3c. Question 7. 3x squared plus 6x. The common factor is 3x, and what's inside the bracket will be x plus 2. Question 8. The common factor is 5a, where what's inside the bracket will be 7 plus 2a. Dear students, at this point, we came to the end of our session. Thank you very much and wishing you best of luck.